Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we're going to guide you step by step on how to remove a Google account from your Android phone. This can be useful if you're switching to a different account, selling your device, or simply want to declutter unused accounts on your phone. Whether you're using a Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, or any other Android device, the steps are quite similar. So let's get started. First thing first, start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Settings app. Before that, I want to show you the Google account want to delete this Jingga Maharani. Okay, now open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap Accounts and Backup. Then tap on Manage Accounts. Now, you will see a list of all the accounts linked to your device. Scroll down, then tap the Google account you wish to remove. This is my Google account, Jingga Hanin. Tap on Remove Account, then tap Remove Account again. Okay, your Google account has been deleted. Now, we can check on Play Store. And yeah, the Google account will be removed from your Android phone. This won't delete the account itself, it just removes it from your current device. Okay, that's it. Removing a Google account is easy once you know where to look. So I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.